Okay, hi students. In previous class we started exercise 1 up to third one we completed. Fourth question. What is the fourth question here? A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long. Long means what is a length? Length is given 5 2 by 3 meters, 5 2 by 3 centimeters length is given, and 3 1 by 5 wide is given. Wide is a breadth. In a rectangle, length breadth given. What we want to calculate? Find the perimeter. What we want to calculate? Find the perimeter. Now we will calculate the perimeter here. Solution. In a rectangular sheet, length equal to how much given there? Length equal to 5 2 by 3. 5 2 by 3 is mixed fraction. Convert into the improper. How we can convert 5 into 3 plus 2 by 3. 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 by 3. That is 17 by 3. 17 by 3. Okay, length is I convert into the improper fraction. Multiply these two, add with 2. Without doing this calculation also, we can write directly this one. By doing that, of course, this calculation. Okay, no problem there. Now, breadth equal to length is denoted with L. Length is denoted with L. Breadth is denoted with B. Breadth equal to 3 1 by 5. Now, this one also mixed fraction. Convert into the improper. 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5. 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 5. 15 plus 1 by 5. That means 15 plus 1 how much is 16 by 5. Okay, length is 17 by 3 centimeters. Breadth is 16 by 5 centimeters. Both we calculated. Now we will calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula what is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. That means 2 multiply. What is the length here? 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5 is the breadth. Now take the cross multiplication. Cross multiply 2 into 17 into 5 plus 3 into 16. 3 into 16 by 3 into 5. Already we discussed cross multiplication. 17 into 5 plus 16 into 3. 16 into 3. Whole divided by 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5. Now we will calculate that one. What we can get this one? 2 into centimeters this one. 2 into okay 75 is how much? 85. 63 is how much? How much? 48 by 50. Now multiply this one 2 into 2 multiply this simple multiplication. 85 plus 45 how much? 85 plus 48. 85 plus 48 how much? 8 plus 5 13. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. 133 by 15. 133 by 15. Now multiply these two. 2 6 has 2 into 133 how to multiply here? 2 3 has 6. 2 3 has 6. 2 1 has 2 by 15. Now convert into the mixed fraction. Okay, now 226 divided with 15. 15 1 has 15. Now I want to get a mixed fraction answer. So divide the numerator with the denominator. That means 15 divided with 216. 15 divides 216. 6. 15 1 is 15. So what is the numerator? 116. 59 is 15 5 is how much? 75. 15 8 years how much? 120. 120 will subtract? No. 7 years only. 15 7 years. 15 7 years how much? 80 105. 105. Already we know multiplication. That's why I did directly. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5. 1. 1 minus 1. 1 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 1. 0 no need to write. 0 1 1. 11 is the remainder. 11 is the remainder. What is remainder? Mixed fraction we have to write. Okay, 17 11 by 15 centimeters. This is the answer. Now we will go for the next question. What is the next question here? Okay, so look here. What is the question here given? Carefully how to read. Then let me understand what we want to do. The recipe requires some dish. Okay, some person want to cook some food. That recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. How many cups needed? 3 1/4 cups needed. But Radha had 1/3/8 cups of flour only she had. And then how many more cups of flour does she needed? To prepare some particular food, she needed 3 1/4 cups of food. But she had how many cups of flour? 1/3/8 cups of flour only she had. Okay, still how much flour is needed? We want to calculate. Then what we want to do here? Okay, total cups of flour minus she had cups of flour. We have to subtract this one. Okay, from total we have to subtract this. We will get the answer. Okay, now we will do the solution. Given recipe requires flour equal to 3 1/4 cups. How many cups needed? 3 1/4 cups. So Radha had flour equal to how much flour is used? Flour means powder. Okay, don't confuse. 1/3/8. 1/3/8 cups. 1/3/8 cups. Now we have to convert into the mixer to improper. Okay, convert this one. 3 1/4. That means 3 into 4 plus 1/4. What will you get? 3 4 years 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 4 years 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13/4 cups. 13/4 cups. Similarly, this one also converted into the improper. 1 into 8 plus 3/8. 8 1 years plus 3. 8 1 years 8 plus 3 means how much? 11. 11/8 cups. 11 by 8 cups. Already we know conversion. That's why I written directly answer. Now floor needed. Number of cups of flour needed equal to, okay, total how much in total cups minus rather has total cups minus rather has flour. Okay, what is the solution? So I want to know the number of cups needed. I want to know. So total cups minus rather has flour. Total cups how much is 13 by 4 minus rather has 11 by 8. Now equal the denominators, because if you observe here 4 8 4 table will get 8. Okay, now equal the denominator. Equal the denominators. Now equal the denominators. In 4 table 8 when will become 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. Equal the denominators means what is the requirement? Here also we want to get 8 minus 11 by 8. Already 8 is there. Here I want to get 13 by 8. I want 13 multiplied something by 8. 4 becomes 8 here. In 4 table we have to multiply 2. 4 2 here. That one multiplied to the numerator. Okay, 4 2 is 8. Okay, 4 2 is 8. So multiply 2 to the numerator. 32 is 26. 26 by 8 minus 11 by 8. Now simplify this one again. And denominators are same, means like fraction. Whenever like fractions are there, we can add or subtract directly numerator. That means denominator we have write 8 here. 26 minus 11. 26 minus 11 means how much? 5. 15 by 8. 15 by 8. Now convert into the mixture. 15 divided with 8. 8 1 is 8. What is remaining? 7. 1 7 by 8 cups needed. 1 7 by 8 cups needed. Okay, divide 15 with 8. We will convert into the mixed fraction. The quotient is 1. The remainder is 7. 8 is the divided. 1 7 by 8 is the cups of flour is needed. That is the answer for this question. We will go for the next question. Sixth one. Okay, look here. What is question given? This is the example model also there. Example sum also there. That one who you will go. There is example 3. Example 3 also same model. Ahmed birthday party sum. Example 3 model. This is. 3 here. What is the question here? Abdul preparing for his final exam. One person Abdul is there. That person preparing for final exam. So he completed 5/12 part only of his course. He completed how much? 5/12 part only. Okay, content. Find out how much course content is left. That means still how much part of the content he want to prepare. That one he have to prepare. Only 5/12 part only he prepared. Still some syllabus he did not prepare. How much syllabus he did not prepare, we want to calculate. Always, whenever if you take total part is 1. That one you have to remember. Total part is always equal to 1. Okay. Let means what is the let mean? We are assuming let total content part equal to total content part equal to 1. Total content is equal to how much? 1 part. Total content equal to 1 part. Total content equal to 1 part. Okay, Abdul prepared part equal to Abdul prepared part. Abdul prepared equal to 5/12 part. 5/12 part is prepared. Okay, remaining left equal to content left equal to total minus total content minus Abdul prepared total content minus Abdul prepared. Total content means 1 minus Abdul prepared 5/12. Okay, similarly we can follow the mixed fraction like that, but we done addition, but here we have subtract. 1 into 12 minus 5/12. 1 into 12 minus 5/12. 1 into 12 means 12 minus 5/12. 12 minus 5 how much is 7. 12 minus 5 7. 7/12 part. Still she need to prepare 12 5/12 part. I am not going to write a question here. Find the perimeter. Second question. Find perimeter. Find perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCD. Okay, team. Which have greater perimeter and by how much? Okay, this is the question. This question related one diagram is given to you. That one I will draw here. What the diagram given? Like this given. One 2/3 centimeters, 4 2/3 centimeters, 2 1/5 centimeters, 3 1/3 centimeters. Okay, like this given. The name is also given A, B, C, D, E. Okay, in this picture we can observe two shapes. One is rectangle, another one is a triangle. We have to find the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle. Okay, which have more perimeter, by how much we want to calculate. Okay, first calculate the perimeter of each. Now I will take triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. What are the sides here? Sides we have to add. Perimeter equal to. Perimeter equal to. Perimeter means sum of three sides. What are the sides here? AB, BE, EA. Those are here. Add AB plus BA, BE plus EA. These we want to add. Here now we add AB length 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 5 plus 4 2 by 3. Now I will write a diagonal. Okay, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5. 4 into 3 plus 2 by 3. Convert into the improper. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 by 3. Whenever denominators are same, we can add it. Okay, that one you add. Okay, we have to take addition of these two. Okay, this fraction and this fraction having the same denominator. Okay, common denominator 3 right here. 10 plus 14 plus 11 by 5. That is 10 plus 14 is 24 by 3 plus 11 by 5. Now cross multiply. Take LCM addition. Cross multiply 24 into 5 plus 11 into 3 by 5 into 3. Okay, now 24 into 5, 11 into 3 by 3 into 5. 24 5 4 is 20, 120 plus 11 33 133 by 15. That means how much we can get? 153 by 15 we will get. 5 is 20, 2 carry, 5 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 120. This is the perimeter of a triangle. Now similarly, we can calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Try this one. Later I will discuss later. Okay, length is 1 2 by 3 and breadth is 2 1 by 5. By using we have to calculate perimeter of rectangle. Compare the results. We will get the answer. Okay, what is the work today? We have to complete a 4 5 6 7 sums. Page number 30. Page number 30. 4 5 6 7 sums complete yourself. Okay, 7 try yourself. Okay, if you did not get me, I will explain.